Ready! Lagay! Mix! Sample! 35
Our mandate is the whole gamut of rice research, such as breeding and genetics and molecular biology, so that we bring value to our stakeholders. The primary stakeholders are our farmers and consumers.
So yung nung introduce nga sa akin yan ng taga-NIA, which is ito pa programa ng IRI, na sila yung nagbigay ng unang initiation para gumamit ako ng AWD or yung alternate waiting and drying natin, na kung saan meron tayo ditong observation well, na kung saan dito tayo makamonitor ng tubig kung need na ba natin mag-refill, magdagdag ng tubig sa ating palayan o hindi na.